In this video, we are going to talk about top 3 eco-friendly changes and why all workplaces should make them. So, before starting the video, please like this video, to subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Workplaces that take an environmentally responsible approach to their operations not only save money on operational costs, but they also attract millennial employees and customers. Organizations that turn off opportunities to become more environmentally friendly, on the other hand, are coming under increasing pressure from employees, customers, journalists, and even legislators. Additionally, there are numerous incentives available at the municipal, state, and federal levels to encourage the use of environmentally friendly products. As workplaces around the country take measures to use more environmentally friendly products, here are the top 3 selections from U.S. standard products, as well as the reasons why all employers should use them. 1. More technology enables businesses to eliminate paper. The amount of paper that is thrown away at work is one of the most egregious examples of waste. While some paper-dependent companies are aiming to become more environmentally friendly by using less paper, such as printing on both sides of the page and recycling, the most environmentally friendly workplaces simply eliminate the use of paper altogether. As a result of the advancements in mobile technology and productivity software, many lucrative organizations are able to operate with little or no paper. The benefits to the environment are enormous, and as an additional bonus, they may assist an outmoded organization in upgrading its software and business processes as well. It is now possible to perform everything from digitizing receipts to e-signing legally binding agreements for as little as the cost of the paper, printers, and ink that was formerly required. Furthermore, keeping private paperwork on cloud storage takes up significantly less office space than it would in a room full of filing cabinets. This saves both time and money. United States Standard Products understands that high-quality workmanship requires workplace safety to be maintained. It is for this reason that they are one of the most trusted suppliers of job site safety equipment and environmentally friendly industrial cleaning supplies. 2. Cleaners that are eco-friendly are less toxic. Chemical cleansers are not only harmful to the employees who use them, but they are also harmful to the environment. A large number of locations do not appropriately dispose of dangerous trash. Additionally, workers who are in a rush may forget to put on gloves or put on air masks when working with harmful cleaners or chemical substances. For example, according to U.S. standard products, typical industrial cleaners cause significant environmental damage, pose a health risk to the personnel who use them, and wear out the surfaces on which they are frequently used. Why? Because the cleaning products in question frequently include lead, chlorinated solvents, and numerous other harmful and non-biodegradable ingredients. 3. Thermal barriers help to lower heating and air conditioning fees. Instead of replacing worn-out HVAC equipment or rebuilding the workplace, many firms are becoming environmentally conscious by combining thermal barriers with wall paint to reduce energy use. While thermal barrier powder mixes will never completely replace traditional insulation, employing thermal barriers in conjunction with traditional insulation can have significant benefits, particularly when a building is prone to baking in the hot sun and other elements. Heating and air conditioning costs can account for as much as half of a property owner's total electricity bill. Poorly insulated buildings shorten the life expectancy of even the most expensive HVAC units, which can cost between $5,000 and $15,000 per unit. Taking a break from those devices is a win-win situation. That being said, other large-scale enhancements such as installing solar panels on the roof of a corporate building and planting more trees surrounding the firm property can help to insulate a company building while also delivering truly renewable properties, such as more shade and solar power. So, that's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know in comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to our channel before you go. Thank you so much for watching.